Budgetly Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Budgetly Budgeting App Review usage experience, and as always, links to the product can be found in the description below. Budgetly is a budgeting app designed for users who want to take control of their finances in an easy, user-friendly way. It offers a no-nonsense approach to managing your money and is aimed at individuals or families looking to set clear spending goals and track their financial progress. One of the standout features of Budgetly is its expense tracking functionality. The app automatically syncs with your bank accounts, making it effortless to track your transactions in real time. It categorizes your spending into predefined categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities, which makes it easier to understand where your money is going each month. You can also manually adjust these categories to better suit your spending habits. The app's budget creation tool is another key feature. You can set up customized budgets for different categories, and Budgetly helps you monitor how well you're sticking to your financial goals. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, reduce debt, or manage day-to-day expenses, the app will send you notifications when you're close to exceeding a limit, ensuring you're always aware of your financial situation. Additionally, Budgetly provides visual reports, which give you an at-a-glance view of your spending patterns. The graphs and charts make it simple to spot trends, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your finances. The app's intuitive design means you don't need to be a financial expert to navigate and make use of these features. Overall, Budgetly is perfect for users who want a straightforward, no-frills budgeting tool. It's great for individuals, couples, or families who want to stay on top of their finances without diving into complex financial software. If you're looking for a simple, effective budgeting solution, check out the link in the description and give Budgetly a try.